we do have a wind advisory in effect for all of North Texas tomorrow. You see the Dallas-Fort Worth area included. Wind gusts will be as high as 45 miles per hour. That introduces the fire danger that'll be elevated to high across western portions of North Texas, because gusts again will be up to 45 miles per hour, where it will be very warm. Highs will be in the middle and upper 90s. Look at that. Breckenridge 98, Mineral Wells 95, Dallas 90, and Waxahachie 88 degrees. So we're clear tonight. We see all of Texas is doing fine. A few high clouds out in far west Texas near Big Bend. Let's talk about our first of several chances for thunderstorms in the days to come. Now, none of them, I will say this, Sunday and Monday, the coverage is on the very low side, but there could be some severe thunderstorms. Let's start with Sunday. So we have a dry line off to the west. We may have just enough push in the atmosphere Sunday afternoon and evening to pop up. And when I say 1 or 2 thunderstorms, I literally mean 1 or 2 thunderstorms. That's it. And then on Monday, kind of the same thing. The dry line hangs out to the west. This is the separation between very dry air and more humid air. We build in a little bit more moisture into North Texas Monday afternoon. There may be just enough. We'll have a strong cap in place. That's that layer of warm air aloft that prevents thunderstorms from developing. We'll have, again, Monday, low coverage of thunderstorms, but any thunderstorms that can breach the cap will turn severe with large hail, damaging wind gusts, and I deserved it, an isolated tornado possible. Now on Tuesday, that's the best chance to see thunderstorms. The coverage will be a little bit higher. So on Tuesday, the dry line will make a farther push to the east, and that will trigger more thunderstorms. So Tuesday late afternoon into the evening, we'll have about a 40% coverage of thunderstorms. So again, Sunday, very minimal coverage. Monday, a few thunderstorms. We're talking 20%. Most of you will not see rain. Tuesday, about 40% coverage of thunderstorms, and some of those will be severe with all hazards possible. And then Wednesday, the cold front starts to move in. The severe threat really starts to migrate into eastern portions of Texas. Nonetheless, there still will be a chance for a few strong storms. All right, so here's the breakdown of what to expect. Monday afternoon, Monday night, a level 2 slight risk for most of North Texas, but most of you in this zone will not see rain, let alone thunderstorms. But if 1 or 2 pops in this area, these are the risks. Isolated thunderstorms with low coverage, with large hail, winds up to 60, 70 miles an hour, or an isolated tornado. Then on Tuesday, it's another slight risk across all of North Texas. Tuesday's coverage a tad higher than what it will be on Monday. Large hail, damaging wind gust, an isolated tornado is possible on Tuesday. Same thing Wednesday, but notice how it kind of shifts a little bit farther to the east as the cold front starts to approach the area. So again, several chances for strong to severe thunderstorms. In the meantime, tomorrow, mostly dry and breezy with that wind advisory, gust up to 45 miles an hour. Tonight, 61, breezy, not as cool. This morning we were in the low to mid 40s. Tomorrow morning, 60s. Tomorrow afternoon, 90, a very warm day, windy too. We'll have those gusts up to 35 to 45 miles an hour. Rangers opening day on Monday, home opener on Monday. It'll be warm, and they'll, I assume, have the roof closed because they can do that now, right, Mike?
They can do that.
Gosh, do I know my sports. 89 degrees on Tuesday, scattered thunderstorms expected. Then we're a little bit cooler as we head to the end of the week, 79 on Thursday.